forgotten. That's what I've got to understand is, I'm a tree. I literally thought I was a tree, but later on I understood I'm definitely a tree. Then I understood we're all trees. We've just forgotten how to be trees. Because we're supposed to have our roots in the earth and receive Earth Mother, receive nourishment effortlessly. Because that's what the tree does. She's just got her roots in the earth. She's receiving that life force all the time. And we can do exactly that. We've just forgotten. So we just got to grow our roots again, our energetic roots into the earth. And we've got to open up and learn how to receive. And life becomes so much more effortless once that happens. Because you stop pushing, right? We push so hard. Get stuff done, to achieve, to get this goal, that goal, to find the right man, to, well, God knows what, we've got so many things we want. But we're trying to push for it. We're not trying to just let it come to us. Mm-hmm. So it's that different way of being that I needed to learn. And once I learned to be present in my body in a different way, and to keep checking my roots every day, many times a day, I'm going, where are my roots? Are they in? Have I gone to sleep? Am I receiving? Am I pushing energy out? Am I letting it in? It's like checking. It's like a reprogramming. Because we've been programmed one way. We've been in a masculine system, which is very yang, which is very go for it, hunt, And so we've been raised in that energy. We've been raised in the energy of that we're not good enough, we've got to run, we've got to hunt, we've got to aim, we've got to achieve, and we've got to unlearn, basically. We've got to learn to be in our bodies differently. So I want to give you a glimpse what that might feel like. Would that be alright? Yeah. So, I think it might be good if we get up off our chairs for that. Feel it going down. And then invite our mother in. Invite our beautiful mother. She is the mother of all mothers. And for us to heal our mother wounds, we need to connect to our Mother Earth. Because she shows us exactly how to be. So just open your roots up and receive her song. Her song of strength, her song of forgiveness, her song of beauty, her song of prolific creativity, her song of health and vitality. Just receive her song into your sacred space, into your golden mind. And allow her to wash away the tears that we all carry in our wounds, in our vaginas, in our sacred feminine spaces. Let her wash away the tears when we've been treated without respect. When we've been hurt. When we've not been seen as sacred and not honored. Let her wash it away down into the earth. And then just take a new breath in of more fresh, vital energy from the earth, flowing up your roots, into your pelvis. Just washing it clean, and back down into the earth. Beautiful. So, you can just stay present in that, but just quietly sit down again, staying present with that part of you. Now, you can imagine when there's a lot going on in life, if you are rooted in the earth and you feel supported by the earth, you're going to cope with stresses a lot better. And you know, a lot of us in this room are healers and artists and conscious entrepreneurs, and we are juggling a ton of stuff. We don't only have our business, we have our children, we have our homes to take care of, we have relationships, we support the community, we travel around. Now, we've got to do that being really rooted, being really, really grounded. But the other thing is, we need to be connected to our inner wisdom. Wouldn't it be cool if you knew how to make the correct decision every single time? Because your body tells you so. Right? Our heads and our hearts are getting so confused. Right? Oh, I can't make up my mind. And you think of 10 things for it and 10 things against it. It's not to make, you can't make decisions like that. It's like your life force knows exactly what you need to do. Right? Because your life force is your soul force. When you were created, and sexual energy created the cells that later became your body, and your soul connected with it, it informed the sexual energy of everything that you're here to do in this life. It's our roadmaps in our life force. And so if we know how to be really present, how to be really connected to the life force of the earth, then we're always guided. As an example, I had some really big stuff going on the last 6 weeks or so before coming here. 6, 8 weeks. And most people probably would have cancelled. They would have said, no way, I'm going overseas with all this shit going on. We stay home, it's safe. So, I was waiting for my body to tell me what to do. I'm going, well, I'm just curious if I'm going to be activated to book a flight. I think this is going to be very curious because I have no idea. Seriously, I had no idea. And one night, I was suddenly activated and I found myself booking this flight. And I said to Sebi, I seem to be coming. So this is what happens with wise women. You just bypass this whole confusion business because your body knows.